take your gem 1, 2, 3, which is your larger peony tip, and do yourself a teardrop shape there. And do these all the way round. Get that lovely curve on the petal when you use the 1, 2, 3. Again, don't put too much in your bag. Keep it to a minimum. There, first row. Then take your gem 120, which is a slightly smaller peony tip. It's just a smaller version. If you haven't got one, just use the same one, so don't panic about it. We'll do the same again, but we're going over the previous one. We're coming in a little bit, like that, see? You're going over the previous petal, but not quite going to the edge. Come in a little bit. So, wipe your nozzle, tighten your bag. Go again, do another little row, again come in slightly. And cubes that. Got sort of 3 layers of petals. They're really sweet. Remember, don't put too much in your bag. Now take your Wilton 2, and I've done this, like I say, like a grey, sort of a grey colour. Do yourself some little stamen in the middle. Don't know why I went for grey. Just decided on grey today. I love grey. Half my house is grey. Do yourself a nice few little stamen around the edge. Like so. Now take your Wilton 1, and I've done the Sugar Flare Caramel Stroke Ivory in here. Again, do any colours you want. And do yourself some little stamen going round. It's much easier if you put the cupcake on the surface rather than holding it up to do this bit, because you can use your finger to sort of steady the nozzle, because it's really hard to control because it's such a tiny nozzle. So use your finger to sort of steady yourself. Do as many as you want. You do 2 rows if you wanted. This is a flower for International Women's Day. Celebrate us being fabulous, as you all are. So have a play with this, see what you think. Do any different colours you want. Might go again actually. Do another little row. I like it when this bit's really bushy. I do some sort of sticking up. By doing that, you literally lift your nozzle so it's more vertical rather than running it along. See how they're sort of standing up. Really delicate, this one, it's cute. I'm just going to pop a little bit of grey in there because I haven't quite done them all the same height. There you go. This is our International Women's Day flower. Cute.